Hello there, internet. Look, look what I just made. It's very good traditional Slavic dessert. I'll show you how to make it. Come on, let's go. The ingredients. Fucking rolls, apples, sugar, and cinnamon. It's thing, this like sweet thing, cinnamon. Coffee to refresh ourselves. Some milk. 2 eggs. This thing. This is like sweet. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Just know it tastes good. Whatever. If you like something, put it in. The tools. Knife. A fucking bowl. A small bowl. An oven. And a fucking baking tray to put the stuff in. We start by grabbing the knife and just cutting everything. The rolls cut into like little bits, like this, right? And we put everything in here, in the bowl. Right, so that's for the rolls. If you cut your finger, that's just extra flavor. The apples, same thing, but first we peel them. Right, get the fucking thing off, the skin. Máš krabku na brambory.
No teď jsem ti chtěla, nechci mluvit.
Thank you. We can use a fucking peeler. Yeah, that's much better. See? There's technology and stuff. 21st century. Alright, so we peeled an apple. And we just cut these into like little bits. Alright, I crack the eggs.
Já se naučím od tebe anglicky.
Just a little bit of milk.
Ne?
Alright. Depends on your taste. It's not like recipe specific. This is like half fat, but you can use full fat if you like the taste better, or no fat. Thumb down. We add some sugar into the milk with eggs. Lots of sugar. We want this thing to be sweet.
To můžeš víc cukru.
Mi to říkám, víc. That should be good. And the cinnamon. We add it into that thing. And we want lots of this. We stir this, and then we will heat it up a little bit. Jaký mám bazory. Pojď na to. Pojď na to. Dobrý. Alright. We have our milk with like the seasoning. We dump it straight in. Alright, we have all the shit we cut up and we put this thing in there. All over it.
Ale to bude chtít víc mlíka ještě, víš. Nebo potom na zalití ještě, aby to bylo zalití.
And we stir it. Yeah. You need to really like get in there. Get in there. I just don't want to make a mess. Right? Akorát. No. Já jsem nechtěl, aby tam bylo jako vyloženě moc. I have a helper here because I don't do cooking like this normally. But I thought it's like I will use my superior cooking skills to try and make like a dessert. This is what we want. We want like a mash after this, right? And I think it's ready, like this. So it's time to wash our hands, and we will put it in the oven. We have the frying tray, right? And some like butter for baking. And we will just put it in there.
No. Víc to nevadí,
It's cold, so it's like,
No,
yeah.
pořád rozmazuj a...
This is like old school cooking tactics. Like this. Yeah.
Trošku ty kraje. No.
Yeah.
A to-
There we go. See? It's perfect. Wash this thing off and then we put it in the oven. We just dump this into the tray. Right? Like this. We even it out. There we go. Yes. Yes. Yum yums. Now into the oven. We put it, just put it there, right? And I don't even know. I don't even know how to operate this thing. So I'm just gonna push this cake. Maybe add some time. So we're gonna leave it 90 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius, which is like very low heat for cooking. Because we don't wanna like burn this thing, we want it to go like slowly, and we will see the end result. Alright, I've been observing this very hungrily, and finally the oven has turned off. So it's time to enjoy the spoils. So safety first. This will be very hot, so I have this like thing ready, so I don't put it like on the table, right? And don't just grab it with your hands. Use protection. Huh? Huh? Yeah. Look what I just made. Let's dig in. It's very hot. Mmm.